Testing, testing, testing. Hi, Liz here. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you get all of the notifications whenever I post a vlog. So today we are talking blackheads. I know they're terrible. We get small ones, we get large ones, and I know it's really difficult to take out. You don't always have to get a facial. I do recommend going out to get a facial and pampering yourself. I would go every 6 weeks, but because of the quarantine, I have been doing them here every week. Just mild facials and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. First, we are going to talk about makeup removal, grease and buildup. So I use a couple things to get rid of my makeup. This is what men think natural makeup looks like. Yeah, there's a lot going on. But I start with coconut oil, believe it or not. You don't only need to use this for your hair, you can also use it for your face, your skin. It's great. So, oh wait, I gotta take off my lashes. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna get crazy in here. I'm using Christina Wasp or WSP. I get these from Amazon. They're super affordable and they're amazing. I buy 24 packs and they come like this. Actually, one of my friends recommended, oh, I just dropped the coconut oil. One of my friends recommended these lashes and I've been using them ever since. So thanks, Grizel. And so yeah, I need more coconut oil because I dropped it. So let's get the coconut oil. All right, so it's gonna get really crazy. It doesn't look nice. Obviously, I'm putting oil in my face and mixing up makeup. But you'll save a ton of wipes when you do this. And for makeup wipes, I use Neutrogena makeup remover wipes and I get fragrance free because I'm dying of psoriasis. But you want to get rid of all of the makeup, or if you have grease on your face, if it's dirty, make sure you get all that stuff off. I am gonna have a ton of glue on my face, but because I use the coconut oil, I only need to use 1 or 2 wipes. I don't need to use 3 or 4, which you would have to do if you didn't use the coconut oil. Alright, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up my face and then we're gonna start to use our facial steamer. Alright, so we are back. I just cleaned my face with a mild soap. I actually use a Clinique foaming cleanser. You can use it every day. Any daily facial cleaner should work fine. I will put some links in my description of some that I recommend. And I also forgot to show you what the makeup wipes look like, the to-go ones. So these literally fit into anything. So you have no excuse. Don't sleep with your makeup on. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to turn on my little steamer. It's a facial steamer. I got it on Amazon. And I must have got the last one for the raffle because I checked it today and it's currently unavailable. So this is what I'm raffling. And it's a 4-in-1 facial cleaner. It also comes with the 5-piece extraction kit, which we'll talk about later. And I'm going to be back in 10 minutes. I'm going to steam my face. My steamer looks ready. And you want to put your timer on. Ooh, that was hot. So my steamer ran for 7 minutes. It ran out of water. And 7 minutes is pretty good. You want to pat your face dry. Alright, so I am going to let this mask dry. Make sure that you read the directions on the back of your mask and it should tell you how long you need to leave it on for. So this one says to just wait for it to dry, so I'm going to make sure to do that. Alright, so I just washed off my mask. And you want to use lukewarm water, don't use really hot water. So in our extractor kit, we have 5 pieces, and we're going to start off with our eye hole extractor and the needle extractor. So the eye hole extractor takes out trapped blackheads, and the needle extractor takes out larger pimples and blackheads. Pretty sharp. So these are our tweezers. You can gently push out blackheads and bacteria, so this is great. Just make sure you're not squeezing really hard because you will rip your nose off or your face. And then last but not least, we have our angled extractor and our oval extractor. So the angled extractor will scrape away bacteria and blackheads. All right. And now we have our oval extractor. This removes bacteria and it also helps with hard to reach areas, so like in your creases and stuff like that. It is amazing. I am just gonna use the oval extractor because I just have some small pores that I need to take out, and I'm gonna take those out. If you aren't comfortable with using the other tools, you don't have to use them right away. Just do your research. I will probably do a tutorial on how to use the extractors, but not right now. It's a little yucky. We did receive an extraction kit with our facial steamer, but you can purchase the kit for around $9 online. I don't extract whiteheads because they have a smaller opening, and I think it's safer to leave those to the experts. You might be stuck at home, so let's go over my tips to avoid swelling and scarring from doing this yourself. I get extractions every 6 weeks, or I do it myself. Do get in the habit of moisturizing every day after exfoliating. I do also use a clay or mud mask once a week. It's really important to do your research on all of your tools before using them because you can cause damage to your skin if you use them incorrectly. If you don't have a steamer, you can steam in the shower or hold your head over hot water after gently cleansing your face with a mild cleanser or exfoliator. Make sure those bad boys are ripe so you don't tear your skin. I usually do extractions during the day and apply moisturizer on afterwards, but tonight we will apply our night mask only. Disinfect your tools with medical alcohol before and after extractions. Make sure your hands are clean. It definitely helps to use gloves and tissue while extracting. Don't press on either side of the blackhead, but apply pressure right over it. It's okay to try this a few times, but if nothing comes out, let it go. That sucker is living rent-free for now. If you see clear liquid or blood, stop extracting too. Good luck. All right. So a facial steamer is a great investment. It's not expensive and it has a lot of great benefits. It promotes circulation. It opens up your pores. Me, for example, I have really small pores, so using a steamer is really helpful to me. And it does soften your blackheads, so it's easier to remove them. So definitely invest in one. I am currently using Dickinson's Hydrating Toner, and this one is enhanced with witch hazel. You can get this at CVS or online. It's very affordable and it's actually amazing. It doesn't burn my face like a lot of other toners, so I definitely recommend it. And now I'm gonna put a face mask. So this is the Hydrobiotic face mask from Dr. Brandt. I actually received this in my BoxyCharm, and this is amazing after a deep cleaning because you've already put so many products on your face. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the Hydrobiotic mask. And you don't rinse your face after this. You are ready for bed. All done. So the moment is here, the moment you've all been waiting for. So I am gonna reveal your comment code to enter into my giveaway. So I will be revealing the winner next week on my blog, and I hope you learned a lot today. I'm gonna make sure to put all the links on all of the products that I used. So the common code is Taurus Season. Make sure you type it in just like that, and that is your code to enter for the giveaway, the 4-in-1 face steamer. It also comes with the 5-piece extractor kit. Thank you for watching vlog number 1. And like this video if you thought it was great, and make sure that you also click on the bell so that you receive notifications every time I post a vlog. I'm going to be posting some awesome videos, some great tutorials, reviews on tons of products.